This is the IronRidge BX ballast system, capable of navigating the most complex roof layouts while handling the most extreme environmental conditions. At the heart of the BX system is the chassis. Corrosion-free and Class A fire-rated, it's molded from the same glass-reinforced polymer as Mercedes and BMW rear axle crossbeams. The unique shape of the BX chassis offers 360-degree reinforcement, reduced point loading, and increased rigidity. The fully fenced chassis keeps blocks in place during wind or seismic events while enabling complete water drainage. Module alignment tabs and pre-installed hardware streamline installs. MLPE and wire management features provide protection from the elements. Multidimensional clamping ensures module retention. The chassis geometry provides the tightest inter-row spacing, maximizing power density. Arriving fully assembled, BX is strong, light, and roof-friendly. Think outside the box. Think BX.